Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Silverado key fob. This is a simple task you can easily do yourself in just a few minutes. First, you'll need to identify the correct battery type, which is usually a CR2032 coin cell. Next, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and your brand new battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. Let's get started. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, typically located on the side or bottom edge of the fob. This slot is designed for easy access. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this opening. With a slight twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with minimal effort, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery nestled inside. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Notice which side, positive or negative, is facing up. The battery is usually a CR2032 coin cell, about 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters thick. Gently pry out the old battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces the same direction as the old one. This is crucial for proper function. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure all the internal components, like the circuit board and buttons, are properly seated before you close it. Gently press the two halves together until you hear and feel them securely click into place. You might need to apply a little pressure around the edges. Once reassembled, take a moment to test all the buttons on your key fob. Press the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.